Hey guys, what's up? Like yesterday, okay. We're just gonna So hopefully I don't do a crazy long intro because it is just now 3, so hopefully I can get done with this by 5 minutes. Okay, it is day 4 of organizing and cleaning of 20 days of organizing and decluttering my house. So today we're going to do my cabinets, just like the ones that have cookware and stuff in them and plates and stuff and cups. I just want to rearrange it and figure out what's going to work for me. I need to take all of those mat things out of them too. A lot of it is working great. It's just I need to take the mats out and change where my bowls are because it's too high because I'm a shorty. My step stool is right here. Yeah guys, and we just went grocery shopping, so the countertops are still kind of a mess. But it is 3:02 and it is August 2nd. And we are going to go ahead and get into this. Make sure you comment. What should you comment? A cactus. Comment a cactus below. Comment a cactus if you have started going through your house and decluttering it with me. Excuse my other 3 children, they are playing right now. My dogs. So, but make sure you subscribe, and if you haven't already, my name is Ashley, Ashley the Homemaker. I usually do cleaning videos. Mommy, I'm getting into the DIYs. I'm just trying to find my niche into YouTube, but it seems like cleaning so far is what I'm putting out. After the 20 days, I would like to do some DIYs. I've got a bunch of furniture I need to redo, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. Oh my gosh, I've said it 30 times. Yes, there's an orbital sander over there. My husband has my other one, and that is in Louisiana. So I went and bought me one because I need to sand a few things. But let's get into the video, guys. It's 3:05.
I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I together, I made our mistakes. Then I can show you who I am, because I'm not the same. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. I'm better with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you off the ground. That's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
Okay guys, so I have 9 minutes left. That's it, I'm done. And I wasted a little bit of time folding the slip grip things, but everything was kind of organized. This is the stuff I'm decluttering, except for the 2 tumblers, right, or whatever these things, those. I've got to put the kids' stuff on them. And my crock pot is out because I gotta remember I'm going to do a Mississippi pot roast for me for family dinner night tomorrow. Yeah, that was pretty easy. So, my serving dishes that I have in this cabinet right here, I don't know if I'll move them up above my oven, but for now they're fine. But yeah, that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. But I hope this motivated you to go through your cabinets and declutter, organize, and Aubrey, the commentary needs to stop. Anyway, I hope this gives you motivation to go through your kitchen cabinets. Whenever I do my spices and Tupperware, which is in the above my mixer, we'll go through my drawers because I have a few ideas how I want to get those back to how I want them to be. So we'll go through my drawers then. I think that's in a couple of days. Anyway, you guys will see me tomorrow. All right, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Memories die out too hard.